Good day, Gubjets once again. Now, latest news on Grayscale. ECC reportedly decides not to appeal Bitcoin ETF court laws against Grayscale. The decision reported by Reuters boasts the odds that Grayscale Investments will be able to turn its Grayscale Bitcoin Trust into a more investor-friendly ETF. Now, what is GBTC and how it works? The trust that is solely on passive investor in BTC, enabling investors to gain exposure to BTC as a security while overriding or avoiding the challenges of buying, storing, and securing the bitcoins directly. Shares are designed to track the BTC market price with fewer fees and expenses. This means when you buy GBTC or you buy Bitcoin through GBTC, you will not own any physical Bitcoin. Now, what is Bitcoin ETF? Because this is what the GBTC would like to do. They will convert GBTC into spot Bitcoin ETF or exchange traded fund. Bitcoin exchange traded fund is an exchange traded fund composed of assets related to Bitcoin's price. They are traded on a traditional exchange instead of a cryptocurrency exchange. Most Bitcoin ETFs do not own any physical Bitcoin. Instead, they commonly own Bitcoin futures contracts, which are agreements to purchase an asset at a specified point in the future. Now, going back to the news, the Securities and Exchange Commission won appeal on a court's reversal of its decision not to let Grayscale convert its Bitcoin trust into a more investor-friendly traded fund or exchange traded fund. The markets regulator had until midnight Friday to decide on challenging the court's decision, but they were unable to do so. And the question now is, will it automatically convert Grayscale's GBTC into Grayscale spot Bitcoin ETF? That would unlikely be the case. The application to turn Bitcoin Trust to spot Bitcoin ETF would automatically be approved the sake or the exchange commission takes no action. The court would likely follow up with a mandate regarding how to respond to its ruling, but could also possibly clear the way for the first Bitcoin ETF in the US. That's the scenario. When the news broke out, Bitcoin's price shot above $27,000. In August 29, the DC Circuit Court of Appeals ruled that SEC's denial of Grayscale investment application to convert GBTC into a Bitcoin ETF was invalid and must be reviewed, calling it an arbitrary and capricious rejection. Because in the later the future in the past the Securities Commission have approved the trading of two Bitcoin futures funds on a national exchange, but have denied the approval of Grayscale's Bitcoin fund. That's the argument of the district court. SEC spokespeople didn't immediately respond to requests to confirm the agency's decision. Rather, Grayscale's spokeswoman declined to comment before the decision is confirmed. It is however unclear how the SEC will proceed in the next round with Grayscale's application, but the agency has still the authority to deny it for other reasons besides the ones court shut down, though Grayscale could challenge those again in court. Um, it was remembered that Grayscale first applied to convert its closed-end fund into an ETF in October of 2021, 2 years ago. GBTC is the largest cryptocurrency fund in the world and has been trading at a discount to its Bitcoin holdings since February of 2021. That discount reached almost 50% at one point but has since retreated to levels around 17%. That's why Grayscale would like to turn its GBTC into spot Bitcoin ETF to close the gap between the fund's price and the original price of BTC. Has long been an advocate of the conversion of GBTC to ETF. Again, to eliminate discount as we close the gap between the price and the underlying Bitcoin. Because the structure of ETFs allows for a creation redemption model, which means new ETF shares can be created to meet the demand or redeem to reduce supply. Grayscale is a unit of Digital Currency Group, which is also a parent of CoinDesk. It's among a number of other entities that have filed for going spot ETF with the likes of BlackRock and Fidelity. And now it's a race between the three giants in cryptocurrency investment world. It's a race between the three. Who will be the first to have the first Bitcoin ETF in the US? Now, Crypto Judge once again. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so and click the notification button so that you will be alerted to the next videos. Until the next cryptocurrency news, goodbye and mabuhay.